Alright, how do you say the username of MoistCr1TiKaL? Well, you know, it's so confusing to everybody. So let's hear it from the man himself. Let's go. Let's hear it. Let's hear him. I'll shut up.
Look, I just want to say that I love how everyone has a different pronunciation for my YouTube channel name. Everyone says it differently. No two people will look at my YouTube name and say it the same way. It's like the Annie and Laurel thing, or that dress. Like, everyone has a different interpretation of it. Some people say Penguinz0, others say Penguinz0, Penguinz0, Penguinz0. It's just all over the place, and I think that's f***ing great. I myself also don't say it the same way every time either. Sometimes I'll say Penguinz0, and other times I'll just say Penguinz0. So even me, I also don't say it the same way every time.
That's cool though. Yeah, how do you say it? I like Penguinz0, definitely.
What's up,
now
everybody?
You know more
Today
videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there, stay tuned.